Hey guys, this is Brian from bartendingschoolfree.com. This is my good friend Courtney. Today we're going to show you how to make some great holiday themed drinks. This one is actually called the Holiday Hopper, and Courtney's going to show you how to make it.
Alrighty, well first we're going to fill some ice in our shaker. Shaker's fine. And this one takes an ounce of Midori.
It's a melon liqueur.
And then a half ounce.
Got a half an ounce of creme de cacao. We're using the white now, so the color actually of the drink looks better.
And then another half ounce of cream.
We're using the green creme de menthe. Stick with that green theme.
We actually pre-measured 2 ounces of half and half.
Right.
Pour that in there. Okay.
Now she's going to shake that up and make it nice and cold. I'm going to ice on our little sipper glass here.
Alrighty. And let's just strain this. Look at that color.
Yeah.
Awesome. Pour it all in there.
Perfect.
And then top it off with a cherry. There you go.
There you go, guys. That's the Holiday Hopper. Happy holidays. Holiday Hopper. Holiday Hopper.